Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock your Honor 6X if you don't know the pattern, PIN or password, and also if you don't know the Google credentials, because this video not only will show you how to hard reset your phone to get rid of the pattern, PIN or password, but also how to do an FRP bypass, which means that it will skip the Google verification, because after resetting your phone there will be a Google verification which will ask you for the Google credentials that were previously logged in on the phone. But if you don't have them, you can do an FRP bypass, which I'll be showing you here, and that will for sure help you. So let's begin. As you can see on the phone, once I try to unlock it, I don't know the pattern and I can't unlock it, which means that I'll need to first reset it. And before we begin, make sure that your phone is charged to at least 60%, but I honestly would recommend getting it charged to 100. Now you'll need a computer. You can see right here I have a computer screen because I'll also be needing that for the process, for the later process, the FRP unlock. Now it'll be just a reset. And also internet access, of course. So let's begin by pressing and holding on the power button until the device powers off. I mean, just press and hold, then click on power off and click on power off again, then it'll power off. Now wait some moment, about 15 seconds, and begin by pressing and holding two buttons at once, power and volume up. Press and hold them until you go to EMUI screen. So that will take a moment. This is the recovery mode, but I called it EMUI because that's what shows on the screen, so it's like easy to recognize it that way. Just hold and hold until you're here. Now go to Wipe Data Factory Reset. You can use the volume buttons to go up or down the menu, and then click on the power button to approve. Wipe Data Factory Reset. Go down to Wipe Data Factory Reset and go down again to Wipe Data and Factory Reset. Now it is factory resetting. During that process, we can go to our website, our HardReset.Info website. That website contains all the files that you will need for your process, and we are sharing them all for free. So I think it's worth it. Just go to HardReset.Info, then go to download, and now find first of all find Huawei P20. I know this phone isn't Huawei P20, but it just happens that these drivers work. These have been tested by our team and it all works. You can just download it because it basically is like Huawei and Honor is the same factory basically. So you can click on download, then click on download again. If there's any ad that shows up, just close it and try again. You can see it downloads. Now I'll need to get another thing. We can stay in the HardReset.Info website. Let's search for ADB. Now find mini ADB and fastboot with drivers. Click on download and click on download here. And now let's go to the last thing. We need to wait until Cloudflare verifies I'm a human, and search for FRP unlocker, because that will be needed for the FRP unlock as well. Get all of these three things. Now go to the file explorer, most probably downloads or whatever you downloaded it to. You can see I have these three things here, and they are in archives. which means to unpack them, you will need a program like WinRAR. And WinRAR is, I think, the best one. You can get it. I won't show you the whole process of getting WinRAR. It's very simple. Just like download it from winrar.com with dash in between win and rar. And you'll just basically have it. And then you'll be able to right click on the first file, select WinRAR, extract to, and repeat that with the other ones. Now you can see I have these three. First, let's go to the Huawei, go to Huawei here, and find driver setup. Click on it twice and it'll do something in the background, then it'll tell you that it's done, and it's it. Also, it's worth, instead of clicking twice, I think it's better to right click on it and click on run as administrator, because it has a higher chance of working. Now go to Android Fastboot. There will be free files, download, install them all. I'll show you only this one because it's a bit harder to install. These like .msi files that you can see here, they are like just clicking on next, and I already have them installed, so I don't feel like doing it. Here in this, like with the Android icon file, you'll need to just, it'll open this blue window, type in Y on your keyboard and click on enter. Then type in Y, enter, and Y and enter. And you can see it's done. And why free files? Because we've tested it, and based on our experience, it works the best if you have all the free files, because that way always works. Now, the last thing that we'll need to do is just open the FRP unlock. Just open that app. This is the app created by us. I'll just leave it open here because I won't need it now. But I just want to have it enabled and leave it enabled until you finish the whole process. Okay, so now we have the phone. You can see it was reset. I can go up to reboot system now and click on the power button to approve and wait until it reboots, which also will take a moment. Okay, so now we are here. And don't worry if it takes a long time. It is very normal for it to take a long time. And all you need to do here is, first of all, select English language. Make sure it's English because otherwise it may not work. We've tested it on English and it was the best. And then click on skip, accept the terms and click on next. Then connect to a Wi-Fi network. You can see when I try to click on skip, it says that I need to connect to Wi-Fi network anyway because it was reset the way that it was. I'll just type in the password to my Wi-Fi network. Let's connect to it, then click on next. And now we'll need to wait a moment and it'll start loading. It may take a while until it loads because it has to load the Google account verification, the one that we don't know credentials for. So we'll just need to wait. And it also may take a moment. You already might have noticed that this process requires quite some patience, but it's already done actually. And here, once you're here, just go back and go back again and again and again and again until you're on the main screen. Now go to emergency call and type in the secret code *##2846. Sorry, it's *##2846579 ###. It opens the project menu. Go to background settings. First go to USB port settings, make sure it's set to Google mode, click on close. then go to LOG settings and make sure it's set to AP log only, and close it. Now, go back, cancel, then restart the phone by pressing and holding on the power button, then clicking on restart. Touch to restart again, and wait a moment. Now you may want to get ready your micro USB cable that you're plugging into your phone and to your computer. And there is a warning from me. Not all cables are built equally, and some cables, even though they are micro USB, they won't transfer data. Some are only for charging, unfortunately. So we'll need to go to Device Manager on our computer. You can just search for it by searching here for Device Manager, right? Until you find this. Find ports COM and LPT. And here, if our cable transfers data, and if all the steps were done correctly as well, then once you plug in the cable, you'll have the control switch to DIAC port, fake ACM interface, whatever, like control switch you'll see here. And this is the most important part. If you see it, then it was all recognized correctly. If you don't see it, try a different cable, a different computer, try updating the USB drivers on your computer in the settings, in Windows Update, or do something like maybe do the whole process again. Unfortunately, now we can see no device detected still because we didn't have a alert here, which we should have gotten. So let's go to emergency call again and type that secret code in again. *pound 2846 579 ###. Background settings, USB port settings, Google mode, close. LOG settings, AP log, close. Go back, cancel, then restart the phone again. You can see this has changed here. If it has, then it's great. Press and hold on the power button, restart again, and wait until it restarts again. Now this time I'm expecting an alert at the bottom that will ask me whether I agree to ADB, which is like ADB, some sort of communication between my computer and the phone. So this communication is needed for our FRP hard unlocker to work. Yeah, okay. Click on always allow from this computer. You can see it has disappeared. If it has, then try doing it again, or unplugging and replugging in the cable. I'll actually try that to make sure that it's all correct. Okay, always allow from this computer, then okay. Now in our app, in our FRP hard unlocker, you should see everything like detected, model, version, and IMEI. If that's true, click on unlock. And now wait, don't touch your phone, make sure that it's connected all the time. Micro USB cables often disconnect by themselves, so you can just look at the battery in the top. If it's charging, then it's connected all the time. Now it says success. Don't unplug the phone just yet, don't close the app just yet. Click on next. Click on skip, then click on next. Next. Now wait a short while. And you can see now there's an option to skip the Google. Skip that. Click on skip again. And now set up as new. Skip. Okay. No thanks. Skip. Okay. Next. Skip. And if you've done all the steps step by step, now once it says success on your phone, you should see nothing has changed, but when you unplug the cable, then press and hold on the power button and click on restart. Click on restart again. Wait a moment until it restarts, until it really restarts, and we'll see what's then. Okay, after a restart, we are in the home screen. It's basically done. If you didn't go to the home screen after restart, then most probably it's because you've either not unplugged the cable, or you've clicked on anything after the app showed success. Before the restart, you went further with the steps in the setup, and that will just make you need to simply plug in the cable again. Click on, go to the app, our FRP unlocker app, and unlock again, simply. And then you'll be able to be here. Now, what I would recommend at the end is going to settings and resetting your phone through the settings, just to bypass any further problems. There are no problems guaranteed, but to make extra sure that your phone won't get locked after some time, just go to the settings, then go to advanced settings, go to backup and reset, then go to factory data reset, reset phone, and that, let's wait until it resets. Okay, let's click on that again. When it resets the phone, you'll be able to set it up like a new device without any FRP locks. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.